Hello friends, we are here today to solve our daily lead code challenge problem, that is first missing positive. In this problem, we are given an integer array nums which is unsorted. So we are given an integer array nums and the array is unsorted. We have to return the smallest positive integer that is not present in nums. So we are given an integer array and this nums, let's say the number of elements in nums is n, then what can happen that, we, if number of integers in nums is n, then we can store 1, 2, 3 up till n elements in this array. And if all of, these 1 to n integers are present, then nums, the first missing positive will be n plus 1. But if, let's say 1 to n, some of them are not there, then the missing is, whichever is not present over there. To find out what we can do that, we can create one Boolean array. Okay, so we will create one Boolean array. Okay, and then we'll say name it as present, and this Boolean array will be Boolean length plus 1. So we will save this, length plus 1 here. Okay, and then we will go through the elements of the list. Let's say, yeah, let's not an issue. So after doing this, what we will do that if nums of I, it is possible that it is not greater than 0, and nums of I is less than nums of I is less than m. Okay, so if it is less than m, then we can easily check it, within that nums of I, and we can mark it as true. So, and after we have marked it as true, we will start our loop I is equal to 1, I less than m plus plus I, if present of I is false. Present of I is false, then we'll be returning I. Otherwise, what we'll do that we will return m, because till m we have already checked, and the next element to be checked is m. So this is what we'll be doing. Yeah, here spelling mistake is there. Perfect. So we'll build our own test cases and see whether we are getting the correct answer or not. So 1, 2, 0 is there. We will put 3 over here. So now all the 1, 2, 3, everything is there. And now the missing positive is 4. So does our solution gives us the correct answer? So we'll see that it is giving us 4. Okay. Now let's take this case. In this case, 2 is not there. So we will take this and copy this to here and add just 2 over here. Okay, and we'll run this. So 2 is there, 5 is not there. Perfect. Okay. So this is one way to solve this problem. Okay. If you have any doubt, let me know. Post it in the comments and I'll, give the clarifying answer for this doubt. Now, after this problem, what we will do that I'm going to present, see, the problem with this solution is that we are creating one additional Boolean array. So, and the problem says that, you create the solution in O of one time, so in constant time. So you should not be taking any extra, uh, space. So to do that, what we will do that we will, get rid of this solution and we will, we will not create any extra thing. Yeah, but we will create one int n is equal to nums dot the length. We will store the length of it. And then for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, x plus I, like this we will do. And then in this we will do that, while nums of I is greater than, so number is positive, it should not be negative. And nums of I is less than n, and nums of I minus 1. So we want 1 at the position 0, 2 to be at the position 1, 3 to be at the position 3 is not equal to nums of I. So what we want that, we want in this while loop to swap the elements to their correct position. So what we will do that, we'll take the element in the nums of I minus 1. So let's say one is there in this array, then we want 1 to be at the 0th position. So what we will do that we will take the 1th value, and 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So whatever is at present over there, we'll take that value in the temp. And then what we'll do that, we will take this nums of I minus 1 and then save this thing over there. And then nums of I is equal to temp, like this. After doing this, what we will do that, we'll again go through the loop. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n plus plus I. Okay. So if nums of I 0 is not equal to I plus 1, okay, then we will be returning I plus 1, like this. Otherwise, we'll be returning n. So let's run this. Some mistake is there. Oh, correct. Yeah. Why we are doing n plus 1? Because see, if it is n minus 1, so n minus the array will be going till n minus 1th value, but we are returning at the n minus 1th position. We are checking 3 is there or not. So 3 was there, and here we should be returning, 3 is already covered in this loop. So here we should be returning n plus 1. Why? See again once more. We are starting our loop from 0, 0. At the 0th position, 1 should be there. At the first position, 2 should be there. At the second position, 3 should be there. So at the ith position, I plus 1th value should be there. So at the n minus 1th position, n value should be there. So already 3 is there. So the remaining value should be n plus 1. After this loop is over, we should be returning n plus 1, because that is now the least value that should be over there. Otherwise, it should be returning I plus 1. Wherever this condition is met, we should be returning I plus 1. With this, I'll submit this solution. Perfect. So let me know if you have any doubt. Please post your doubts in the comment, and I'll try to clarify those doubts in the comment itself. So with this, thanks a lot.